Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. I am in Las Rojales, a beautiful municipality here in the Costa Blanca in the province of Alicante. Where I am is actually one of the largest urbanizations known as Ciudad Quesada. This is just 40 kilometers south of Alicante city and is a beautiful and very well established expatriate community right here in the province. So today I'm going to be showing you a brand newly constructed built project consisting of 12 villas. I'll be showing you one of them today. They feature a plot of 560 square meters and the home itself is 260 square meters. It offers 3 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms and is distributed on 2 floors. So let's begin the tour. Hello, come on in. So as you come in through the pedestrian entrance, you're coming through a robust door that is taking you across a floating bridge onto your own living and outdoor terrace. This is an expanse of terrace that is natural stone flooring that surrounds and perimeters your home. And it is splendid, the way that they have decorated the space. The architectural design of the building really sings as you enter. You have this moody palette, what they've gone for with the rust effect walls, but then you also have this bright pop of white and also the natural wood elements as well that you'll see unravel as we go and explore. Stood here, you can see this is like an outdoor living, lounging space. And as you can see, the gardens are bordered with local and exotic trees and plants. You have these gorgeous stone pathways that lead to various areas of your garden spaces. And even amongst the plants and trees, they've actually planted fruit trees as well. So taking you onto the rear terrace, this is another area where you can enjoy being outdoors. It is a more shaded spot. So let's say, for example, you wanted to eat outdoors, this would be perfect. Taking you across the terraces some more, this would be the entry to the home or your front door. And then you get to see the expanse of these terraces overlooking these floor-to-ceiling doors that open out completely and give you full integration of your outdoor living space with your interior living space. I love how it overlooks the swimming pool, and as you can see, I'm just approaching your outdoor shower. Now, this is quite a long swimming pool. This would be actually perfect for those that take their swimming quite seriously and like to do lengths. You have stairs here that lead down into the swimming pool, and it gradually slopes and gets deeper. I do really love the fact that they've mixed up the elements here with a contemporary design, but also kept it really cozy. Overlooking this space here, I'm just walking now towards where I would enter with the vehicle. This is a sloped driveway, a spacious one, and as you go down it, it leads to a door that is automatic and lets your car into the garage. Hello, come in. So as you come in through the front door, you're coming into the entry hall, and on the wall you will see, for your convenience, there is your alarm system, intercom system, air conditioning, and this house comes with a lot of specifications. So you'll notice there are very well integrated switches on walls and doors, etc., that give you electric shutters and all of those mod cons. We are coming into a beautiful space. This interior design is truly quite unique in the sense that you have this beautiful integration of contemporary with a touch of glamour, a touch of earthy tones with the wooden accents, and also a lovely ceiling height of 3.2 meters. The space here is an open plan living room, dining room and kitchen, and it is 62 square meters. You can see that it is well illuminated as well by natural light, as you have the floor-to-ceiling doors and windows on both sides of the room, which is lovely because you get a great perspective of your terrace as well as your gardens on the other side. So this would be your spacious living room space. And as you can see, there is a very large television on that accent wall there. It leads very seamlessly to this very atmospheric and inviting dining space, which is set to dine 6. And I do really like the lighting feature that they have placed above it, keeping that focal point in that intimate space of dining there. And then it leads on to, very seamlessly, your open plan kitchen. This kitchen is rather spacious and rather deep. You have this wonderful central island, which has this wooden effect countertop. Within the actual central island itself, you have your sink, plenty of storage cabinets. Also is hidden your Bosch dishwasher. More cabinetry. You also have a handy little power point here for plugs and switches, as well as your recycling containers. On this side of your central island, you will find that they have even installed a cheeky wine chiller, which is great for functionality. And then on the other side, you have a breakfast bar dining space set to dine 3. Over the way, with the moody tones that they've incorporated in the kitchen design, you have floor-to-ceiling cabinetry. It comprises of larger cupboards as well as smaller. It also houses your coffee machine, your oven and your microwave. And on this side, you have your hidden built-in, which would be your refrigerator. So taking you now from the main living space into where you would have the bedroom quarters. Right now I'm taking you through to the primary suite, and the primary suite is equally as beautiful in interior design. This space is 27 square meters, and you can see that they have also got the wooden effect of a wooden accent wall there in front of us. It has plenty of space for a double bed. You have on one side patio doors that lead comfortably out to the terrace and the swimming pool. It also then leads to the ensuite bathroom. You have your vanity, your sink and large mirror here. You also have this very clever door system that has a separate shower and also a separate toilet. I do like the tile design with the darker tones here. And then as you come into this area of the space, it's a his and hers dressing room, wardrobes on both sides, and then even more integrated cabinetry here for you to use. Love the way that they have done this space. So as you can see, the stone flooring is continuous throughout, giving it a seamless, light and bright feel. But now I'm going to take you to the other side of the home on the ground floor so that I can show you the other bedroom quarters. As we go along the way, I'm just going to take you left to the main guest bathroom, which is bright and fully equipped. And then along the hall some more, you are now coming to the second bedroom. This bedroom is 12 square meters. It is again light and beautifully interior designed. You have on one side patio doors that lead out onto the terrace there and the swimming pool. And then to the left, there is a doorway that leads to your ensuite bathroom. I like how with all of the bedrooms you'll find that they have their own ensuite and they also have their integrated wardrobes as well. So coming out of that bedroom, the second bedroom, I'm now going to take you on my merry way through the kitchen space. And by the way, I almost forgot, this is a clever type of kitchen cookery system that is unique to this home. The counter space, as you can see, doesn't seem to have any kind of cooking facility, but it actually does. You have a cooking system here that lets through really hot air and cooks your food in exactly the same way as usual. But look at it. You can't see it. It's almost like it's invisible. I like that. So these are more patio doors here that lead to your rear gardens. To my left, you can see that this is the stairwell that would lead to the lower floor basement. And now I'm going to take you over the way into the third bedroom. So this bedroom is similar to the second, a nice interior design. It is again 12 square meters. You have on one side your ensuite bathroom that is fully equipped, and you also have integrated wardrobes and also your patio doors leading to the rear garden. Taking you down to the lower floor, you can see that it is well illuminated, the stairwell, as there are accents of LED lighting throughout. This is again a very beautifully decorated space. This space is being turned into, for this house at least, a living room. This spacious living room offers 33 square meters, and the ceiling height throughout the basement is also 2.6 meters. It does feel light and bright and just like an extension of living spaces in your home, as you do have these very beautifully cute installed patio doors on one side that give you not only natural light but access to its very own terrace as well. And what you'll find is it is also wooden flooring, which gives us that warmth and that lovely kind of sense of coziness within this level. To my right, you'll find that there is a fully equipped bathroom with a little pop of colour. And then to the other side of the space, it actually has a doorway that leads to where you will be able to use a multi-purpose space. This space is 40 square meters, and it comprises of your garage, where you have your automatic gate there that opens and allows you entry, but you also have here your laundry room. What I like about it is you even have within this laundry room, not only that it's fully equipped with the appliances, but a storage cupboard and counter space. Also, what you find as well is with the garage system, the specifications continue. So you have here a car charger. With the waves lapping next to my ears, as it's so blissful, it took us just 10 minutes to get to this gorgeous beach, Playa Moncayo. And what's really interesting about this beach is it's wide, it's quiet, you've got beautiful sands, but if you kind of look that way, it leads onto another beach called Playa La Roqueta. So I'm curious, I'm sure you probably are the same, and this does not feel like November. The nitty gritty. The property tax or EB is €1,000 per year. There is no community fee, and the refuse collection is €150 per year. This is a stunning independent villa. The actual developer has 12 within the project at the moment that they are under construction, and the construction will be finished within 15 months. As you can see, this property was distributed on 2 floors, and one of those floors is a basement. And so the price point of this property, as they do have specific specifications and a basement, comes to €1,150,000. However, the developer does have properties starting from a price point of €700,000. What I also have to say is that the impeccable design of the interior and the exterior really give comfort for those that like to live in such a way that has extended members of their family. The use of that basement, as you saw it, was fantastic if you did have other family members or friends that were coming to stay or even live. Also, Ciudad Quesada is a beautiful town. This is a popular expatriate community and actually is really close to a lot of things. You have restaurants, bars, cafes and shops to enjoy within walking distance. A short drive away, you also have access to great golf courses. And then you also have Torrevieja, Santa Paula and its beaches and other towns and cities within 10 to 15 minutes in the car. Not to mention, it's just 40 minutes away from Alicante city and its airport. So, if you do like this property and you'd like to know more, please do go to our website, which is spainhomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. One thing that I do have to say is that funky, different kind of cooking system that they had, I found out actually that it was an induction system instead. Anyway, no doubt I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Hasta pronto!